everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is me Anang, and today again I'm going to the big fat Fatora Carnival. It's 10 o'clock at the moment now. I'm a bit late because I was watching India versus Australia and luckily India won. So I really had a hard time looking for the parking. Everywhere it's full here. There is literally no space to park bike. So guys, today is the last day and I got to know that there are about 10,000 people inside. So it's very crowded today. So guys, this is the entrance from here and just look at this crowd. It's a hell lot of crowd here today. It's the last day for this carnival event. So this is the mask thing, something here. And it's hell lot of crowd here, guys. And there is this stall here. So guys, now let's proceed ahead and let's check out.
On stage is because we want to felicitate the man responsible for bringing Carnival to Goa and making it such a staple of Goa, a fabric of Goa. And
for this festival, I think
it's going to be 7 notes on the stage in just
I'll be calling all the winners of this evening. For the winners of the cooking contest in the 7th place, can we have Dhanashree Naik on stage, please? Dhanashree Naik, please make your way on stage. Also, Mamta Saxena. Mamta Saxena, can we kindly have you on stage, please? In the 5th consolation place, we have Swara Neeta Kanbekar. Neeta Kanbekar, can we kindly have you on stage?
So guys, 15,000 crowds have been gathered to see this event. And it's time for me to leave from here before it's get really hard to get out from here. So guys, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I came here. The name of this restaurant is Goan Spice to try out their fish curry. So I'll be having lunch here now. So guys, this is here. It's a very basic setup here. And I really like having meal at a very local restaurant. So guys, I'll be having fish thali. And yesterday it was a lot of crowd gathered there at the event, and it became really difficult for me to get out from there. So yeah. So guys, with me I have this restaurant owner, Mr. Sunny.
Yeah.
And he wants to tell something about his restaurant. So let's hear from him.
We have started this restaurant since last 2 years, and the theme of the restaurant was to serve a good Goan, authentic food for Goans. Normally what happens, Goans are searching for food where they can get original Goan food, like what they used to have in their childhood and all. And especially, now the Goans, they don't know how to check even the fish. So what we do, we check the fish, whatever we give on the platter, that is fresh, and it's reasonable, the quantity is good, and the environment is very good. We have a good space over here. You can come with your family or you can come with your friend, and the food is always the same. All the masalas are authentic. Even what the curry we are preparing, that is we preparing from that mapsa chili that is very expensive. Because of that, it gives an authentic taste.
And in fact, what do you know, I passed out here like a couple of times,
Yeah.
and I just thought of trying this your restaurant,
Yeah.
especially the fish thali.
Yeah.
And so I just came to just try your fish thali today.
Yeah.
I already had planned that I'll be coming one day or the other.
Yeah.
So I just happened to drop here and let's try your fish thali today.
So nice of you.
Thank you.
But
And owner of
he is
this
my
restaurant.
partner.
He's the business
He is
partner.
Raju Vernekar. तू तुलो पाहिजे आपण घे.
सगळे तरेची नुस्तें आमची आमी हांगच्यान हाडटा मेन सारकें जेटीत वचून हाडटा सगळे तरेची नुस्तें आनी तुका बांगडा लेपो किंगफीश मागीर तुगेले मोडसो चणक सगळे तरेची आमी नुस्तें दवरता सुंगटां बी सगळें दवरता हांगा तेन्ना फ्रेश आसता आमगेलें आमी डंप करून दवरना कसलोच पर डे कितें लागता तितलेंच हाडून आमी लोकांक दितात
बरें.
आनी आमगेली करी स्पेशालिटी म्हणटा ती करी हें आसता
Ah, curry. Uncle also said. Same सांगला आमकां अंकल
सेम करी हेजेर हें आसतात आनी लोक आमगेलो एकदां जेवन गेल्लो परत येता जेवपाक घरगुती टायप आमगेलें सगळें हें.
Hi, this is their fish thali, and they told me that some of the stuffs it got over soon, so I got only this much, and let's try out their food now. So guys, now it's time to taste this fish thali, and fish thali is always my favorite. Guys, it's really tasty,
and his fish is a bit spicy, so I like it. And the curry, what uncle said, is very good. What they are specialty in serving the curry of the fish. Let me taste again. The curry taste is really good, and I agree with the uncle what he said. So this curry is absolutely very good.
So guys, just done having the fish thali, and you know what happened? The uncle denied to take the money from me. He told me it's okay, you just go, and no need to pay for this time. And thank you so much for showing our restaurant vlog. So he was very impressed with me, and after insisting so much, he started insisting me so much, don't pay, but I told him, uncle, I'm not feeling good if I don't pay you the money. So I just paid him, and the thali was 150 rupees if you are taking a bangado, but if you are taking a kingfish, it's 250. And coming here, the taste is really good. And guys, if you all want to try out the authentic Goan fish thali, I would recommend that you should not try going to the local restaurants. So you'll get the authentic Goan, and the taste is really very tasty. Rather than going to a fancy restaurant and trying the fish thali, it's not worth. I've been there so many times, but the taste, what I feel is better if you go to the local restaurants and if you try the fish thali. So guys, after having lunch, I slept for about 2.5 hours, and it's 7:30 in the evening, and I'm here at my friend's place, Eden, and he's busy talking
What's up, guys?
he's talking to someone. And today we'll be giving you a short walk tour of his villa. So Eden bro, let's do a short walk tour of your society.
Go ahead, let's go.
So basically these are all his villa, owned by him. My friend is very rich guy, and he's working in Doha. I don't know why he has to work in Doha when he got so much of wealth that he can do something else. Pata nahi. All right. So guys, these are all his villas, and if we would have come in the daytime, it would have been much more better view. But anyways, we'll enjoy the night view as well. The night view is really beautiful. So Eden, so here we have the swimming pool, right?
We have a swimming pool here.
And is it accessible to all the outsider people or only for the society
As long
people?
as you have someone here, then yes, of course.
Of course I have you, so no one
Yeah.
can restrict me. All right. So look at this beautiful building, and here we have something on top. What is that, bro?
This is sitting area.
Hitting area. So we take people and we hit there, give them bamboos, we kick them, and
Basically, if you are resting or you want to do some barbecue night out, then this is a
wow,
spot.
bro, let's plan something here now, Eden.
Yeah, definitely.
And this is swimming pool. I feel like diving inside. Eden, what should I do? Should I go inside?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
And so guys, basically these all the villas are being owned by my friend Eden. Seems like he is the millionaire of Goa. Wow. I swear, if I would have been Eden, I would have done something else. You know, something else in the sense I would have started my own some business or something like that. What do you have to say, Eden?
Yes, definitely, you can.
Yeah, I can, right?
Yes, you can become an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur. That's what she's doing. Edra is what she is doing there with her mom, having some convo. What convo, God knows. So Eden, do we have any plan after this to go somewhere?
Yeah, we can explore the beach.
Are you serious? Are we going to the beach now?
Yeah, we can. Usually during this time, it is quite beautiful to see the
Bro, beautiful to see. What beautiful are we going to see there?
nature.
Okay, anyways. Oh shit. Look at my hair, man. It's so messy. Is here. Edra, again, she took 2-3 hours to get ready. Speak up. How are you feeling this evening?
nothing happened this evening.
So what's the plan for this evening?
You say you did late.
I did late.
Yeah.
You all only made me wait for so long, and you're asking me. Wow. Eden. So where are we going, bro?
Let's go to eat maybe something.
There is some secret conversation going on between these two. I don't know what they are talking. Edra, you know what your mom said? I'm the most handsome guy so far she saw in Margao itself. Not in
Margao, she saw
Margao,
you.
in Goa.
But she saw you in Margao itself. She said, why is this guy staring at me? But
Bec-
then she
because-
found your face familiar.
Because I saw this guy and I was staring at Eden, not your mom.
No, but you were...
So guys, very soon I'll be doing an acting project with these people. Edra's mom told me that I really look presentable and I should be, you know, working with their acting project. So I'm looking forward for that. And I'm very, very excited. Look at these people. Look at Eden, he's getting jealous of me.
No, why not?
Because he'll be in Doha and I'll be Goa. I'll be shooting.
Yeah, good luck to you, bro. Good luck.
Yeah.
You deserve it. He deserves it.
See, I deserve it. And Eden, what do you deserve?
I deserve happiness and wealth and luxury.
Of course. How about you? She deserves. What do you deserve?
One slap.
One step you'll get now.
Edra deserves a good.
A good slap.
A good career, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Just tell us, how did you become so skinny? The earlier photos, what you showed me, you were like a bulked up. Qatar Airways ruined it, Sim. Edra, see what a bro is telling.
He usually ruined your Qatar.
Okay, guys, so this guy is doing some pull-up challenge, God knows. After this, Edra will be doing it. Just 4.
I could do more, but
Come on, Edra, you can do it. Go ahead, go ahead. Show us your
I'm lazy, re.
arm strength.
Then you do, re,
She's just taking the arm reach test for becoming cabin crew. And by the way, guys, Eden has shortlisted for the cabin crew. His CV has been shortlisted and he has received an invitation for cabin crew. What is that?
It's an invite. For
Invite
the
cabin
interview.
crew to give an interview. Go ahead, tell us.
Yeah, there's an invitation given to me for the cabin crew interview. So hopefully things go well, then you can see me as a cabin crew in 2 months.
Sure. And I'll be really excited to see him on board serving me. I swear to God.
Definitely, we'll give you a 5-star service.
So thanks, man. I really want to see him working on board. What about you, Edra? What's your plan? क्या plan है आपका? So guys, Eden is riding my bike.
What should I do then?
Bro, my bike is in the gear, so you need to make it neutral. So just take this up. So here, oh no. Wait.
Anything happens to you, nobody will come and get you.
I removed my mirror. She's telling my bike is looking a bit different.
But why is it not starting even after?
You need to hold the clutch.
Yeah, I just wanted to clutch.
And
How do I go forward?
release the clutch slowly and accelerate simultaneously. Oh wow, he got it. See, Edra, I taught your brother to ride Kirium Duke
You don't
in
know
just a
only
minute.
happens further away.
So Edra is telling she'll be missing her bro once he leaves to Doha.
No, I won't be missing him because he's
And-
coming back soon.
Oh, he's coming back soon. So he goes for 10 days and he comes after 10 days.
Yeah.
Wow. Now look at this. Kiran is enjoying his bike
He
ride.
said something.
He's saying that the girls are watching him riding the
He's
bike.
trying to flex over there. He doesn't know that.
Eden is trying to flex my bike in front of some girls. Wow. आज Eden chance मार रहा है. Lucky day for him.
Don't leave him alone.
It's okay, Ray.
You sure?
Yeah, of course. Let him ride, no? He's trying some stunts there. So Edra ma'am have not touched sugar past since 1 month. Wow.
People won't.
That means you don't even eat chocolate, right?
No, I don't eat chocolate. I used to eat because I had to stop it because of my pimples
So she is craving for pani puri now.
and pani puri, but spicy. Very spicy.
Okay. Bhaiya ji, let's go and have pani puri. We are
Yeah,
waiting.
but where is that pani puri wala gone?
Ask him now. Your bhaiya ji might be knowing.
No, pani puri wala.
Let's go now. Enough. My bike is good. Everybody says my bike is good. Because I have maintained my bike in that manner. Don't go out, bro. So guys, where are we going now?
We're going to have pani puri.
Okay, let's do it.
As per
I mean,
them.
let's go.
Alright.
As per them, we're going to have after 18 pani puris more.
Guys, so now we are going to have Pani Puri. So we have come here to have Pani Puri, and this is Eden's suggested Pani Puri Wala Bhaiya. So guys, we are just waiting to have our Pani Puri, and this is the favorite spot of Mr. Eden, where he usually comes and eat his mom was telling me.
Mom been killing me.
Tell no what mom was telling. So guys, basically Eden's mom was complimenting me.
Your video where mom plays with it.
Yeah, she watches
What
on
do you
YouTube
think about me?
videos.
Really?
Yeah, she checks.
Okay, so her mom watches my YouTube videos, and if you do watch, thank you for watching my vlogs. What can I say more?
What do you feel like saying about her shit?
भाई बहन का प्यार, sharing is caring. So they are having what is this? Right?
That guy
Pani
laughed
Puri.
also where there for some reason.
This is what?
Sukha puri.
Sukha Puri.
You are not a pure
Okay, have.
fan of
को पता है लालू यादव कौन है?
Indian music.
इसका चाचा लगता है लालू यादव.
It's amazing, man.
So guys, this is my Pani Puri, and I'm having this after a very long time. This is very spicy.
He's giving you poo-poo, man.
Just have, man.
Your turn, your turn.
Yeah, man. So guys, I'm going for the second one. There you go. There you go.
Ate it.
Have it.
He's giving now.
The last one I'm having because I cannot have more because it's very spicy.
Not spicy.
You know what? The masala is very raw.
I'm ready for the sukha one.
Eden bro, what are you thinking? God knows what tension Eden is having now. All of a sudden, what mood swings he got, God knows. This is the full and final. I didn't. So guys, just done with the pani puri and ये व्लॉग आज का हम लोग यहाँ पे समाप्त करेंगे गाइस, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस व्लॉग, और मिलते हैं जल्दी अगले व्लॉग में. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय गाइस. सी यू ब्रो. Bye guys, go safely. Please bro. And I'll be also going safely.